I thought it was gonna be more extreme than that. I thought you were just gonna.
What did you think? He was just gonna rub it all over his face or something? Like smash it into his skull?
I thought he was gonna tear it up, like he just casually eating it, like fuck it, I'm gonna take my time.
Well, yeah, I mean.
Yeah, eat that shit like a dinosaur, son. Yeah. Yeah, you like, yeah, take that shit like one of them.
Is that extreme enough for you? Stop giving him your shit.
Mm-mm.
Episode 7, The Diabetes Awakens.
Play it.
Feeling
What?
It's pretty gross.
Is it?
Kind of.
That's because it's not.
Nah, nah, nah,
It's not